Hello, carrying on my RC submarine project. This is about the rudders I will be putting on the top and the bottom. Here is the hole of the bottom rudder. So now you can see this is the little part which will consist of the rudder axis. I'm gonna put from the inside and glue it here in position. This will make the axis waterproof. I drilled a hole on the bottom, and this I've just put in is part of my axis. This axis is actually the top of a bottle, water bottle. I cut off the bottle. I kept the screen part. I kept the plug. I'm going to glue this in this hole with PVC glue. Make it nice and watertight. I'll glue my two bearings inside it. I'll put two bearings and grease in between both bearings. Like this, I will ensure better watertightness. Now I'm just cleaning the part, taking the grease and dust off it before I glue it. Make it nice and clean. You see, in the middle of the bottle, I have added a gray plastic cylinder. Now the inner diameter is 6 millimeters. No, sorry, it's 13 millimeters. This is the outer diameter of the bearing. And here I'm gonna draw the top rudder. Just gonna check it's parallel to the bottom one. It's about there. And then I'm gonna drill it there. I'm gonna drill a hole like I did at the bottom. Okay, so there you can see the dark blue top of the water bottle, and inside a gray sort of plastic cylinder I have cut into shape, with the inner diameter being able to receive the bearing. The outer diameter is glued into the bottle, and I'm gluing the side of the water top bottle here, which I'm going to fit inside the submarine and glue it in the hole nice and watertight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.